Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a super easy corned beef recipe. So to make our corned beef recipe, you are going to be needing about 1 to 2 cans of corned beef. Make sure when you buy corned beef, you buy a really good brand because the cheap brands can have quite a bit of fat in there. So make sure you buy a good quality corned beef. Again, you can use 1 to 2 cans for this recipe and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. I have some olive oil and I have some salt and pepper. I don't know where my pepper went, but you need some pepper. And I have half a Roma tomato that I chopped up, but you can definitely use 1 Roma tomato, and some bell peppers. I have some orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, half an onion chopped up, and I have some sprig of thyme, and I have 1 habanero pepper. You guys know I love the heat. And I have 1 teaspoon of my Haitian Epis, that green seasoning. If you guys don't know how to make that, go ahead and check the card that just came up to show you guys how to make it. We are going to be needing about half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and I am going to use the juice of the sour orange. If you don't have this, you can use lime juice, and about half a cup of water. We may not use all. Don't forget to check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. If this is your first time buying corned beef, when you buy it, it comes with a little key, this key on the side, okay? And all you have to do is hook that key. I took mine out, so it's giving me a little trouble. Hook the key back in and just kind of use that key to just roll. Sometimes it can be easy, so just keep turning that key and it should open that can for you. Again, sometimes it's super easy and sometimes it can be really stubborn. Okay, you can see mine's giving me a little hard time, but just keep twisting it and it should open. Now you want to take your corned beef and we are going to place it in this bowl, just because I like to cut mine into pieces before I put it in the pot. That way it can save me some time. Just break it up. Sometimes, you guys, when these cans are giving me trouble, I seriously sometimes just grab a piece of paper or my kitchen towel and just rip it with the kitchen towel. I do not like to be disturbed with things I know I can get done quick. Okay, again, just break it up just like that, and we can place it to the side so we can start making our delicious corned beef. You want to set your stove to medium high and go ahead and add a couple teaspoons of olive oil. We don't want to add too much because you guys know the corned beef have some fats. Even though we buy good quality corned beef, it's still going to have a little fat, okay? So now I am going to grab my Haitian Epis. I'm using the back of my spoon because this side have corned beef. I don't want to make too much dishes dirty. And we are going to brown that Epis until it's a nice golden brown color without burning it. So it might take a few minutes. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. You guys, make sure you check that notification bell because it seems like a lot of you are not getting notified when my videos come out. So make sure you check the bell to get notified so you guys don't miss out. And make sure you please share the videos so it can encourage me when I see you guys are watching and sharing the recipes with others. Thank you guys so much in advance. So all I'm doing again is just frying that Epis. We don't want it to be burnt. That Epis have so much flavor. If you've never tried Haitian Epis to season your meat or to cook anything with, I highly recommend that you guys try that Epis. Again, you can find it in my channel go ahead and search Epis Lamise and it should pop up. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in my onions. I love onions, but if you have shallots, you can use shallots too. Put in my peppers. We are basically going to put everything at this time. Put in that tomatoes. The tomatoes will bring a little moisture to the pot. And we're going to allow this to saute for 2 to 3 minutes. And now you want to go ahead and add that corned beef. Again, the corned beef have some fat, which should melt and help bring a little moisture to the dish as well. I'm only making 1 can because this is only for my husband and I today. The kids are actually having something else that they want. I have some white rice, I have some avocados, and I have some carrots that I'm going to cook up. So this is just a really basic quick meal that I want to share with you guys. So in case you guys are looking for some quick basic meals, you guys have a go-to meal from my channel. I'm just breaking the corned beef down. I don't want big chunks. That way everything can be seasoned properly. And now I am going to add some garlic powder, about half a teaspoon. Onion powder. And add that sour orange juice, about a cap or 1 teaspoon, but I'm using the cap. And we are going to mix everything up. And this is when I need a little liquid, so I'm going to add a little water just so it can help steam the corned beef, but you don't want to add too much water. Taste. Add just a little bit of salt. And I like to add my thyme. Oh, let me add just 2 sprigs of thyme. Accidentally grabbed too many. And I like to add my pepper. You guys know I love me some of that heat. And cover it, let it cook for a good 5 minutes. And that's pretty much, that's all there is to making corned beef. Again, make sure it's not burning, so just add a little moisture if you need a little more water, but you do not need soup out of this. Okay, so I'm going to cover it up, let it steam for no more than 5 minutes. So I totally almost forgot to put in my ketchup, but it's not too late. It's not too late. I love the acidity the ketchup brings, so I know I would have known if I had forgotten to put it. So just mix that in. This used to be my go-to food, guys, when I was in school. It's been a minute. All right. Let it continue cooking for, I have 3 more minutes left on mine. My corned beef is pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and cook some white rice, and I am going to roast some carrots, and I'll come back and show you guys exactly how I am going to eat mine. All right, guys, so my carrots are taking way longer than I thought, so I wanted to go ahead and finish up the video. This is what my husband's bowl looked like. Hopefully you guys can try this recipe. It looks so delicious. It's so easy. On a busy night, you definitely want to try this recipe, buy some of those corned beef, just store them for busy nights. So there you guys are. Thank you so much for watching the video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow us on all of our social media platforms, and share and like the videos. We love you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.